Welcome back to the Subios Bros channel, and we are back. It's been a long time, but we've been preparing a lot of videos for you guys. Today we're here at 365 Performance Plus, and we're doing our first install video of our STI. Right here. Perfect sound. Okay, so we are doing our first install video on our 2019 STI. The front lid, side skirt, and a back spat. Yep. Now this are carbon fiber, and they're designed and manufactured by 365 Performance Plus. Right here. So what we're trying to do here is install videos done by the pros. I know a lot of you guys out there work on your own cars, but sometimes you need to know there's a know-how by the pros, so you guys can actually see how it's done properly, where you guys will watch out for. And for those guys who are not going to work on your cars, you want to find the right shop like 365, but at the same time, as an owner, when they're working on your car, you want to make sure what you want to watch out for. Every time there's a new install coming in, you just let them work on your car. Later you find out there's a problem after it's done. You don't want that. So this video is for you to get all that information. If you guys want to see more of our install video, thanks to our sponsor 365 Performance Plus, we are actually trying to make this into an episode. Please comment below and let us know what other mods we should do it. This is a completely stock car. We are very excited to build this car. So let us know, and please hit that subscribe button and turn that alarm on.
So this is our S208 style front lip. It fits the 15 all the way up to the 2020 STIs and WRXs. So we're taking off these OEM clips here so we could gain access to behind the bumper when we install the lip. Basically right here, you pull that down. When the lip goes on, you'll be able to screw the nut on from the top. There's 7 of these OEM clips. There was a previous front lip installed on this car, drilled too close to the edge. So even after we install the carbon fiber lip, it's still gonna show a hole right there. Best thing we could do at this point is try to file it down a little bit to make it even, and try to hide as much as possible. Perfect. So instead of using self-tap screws, we actually use bolts, washers, and nylon lock nuts to make sure this lip never comes off. We're about to install some carbon fiber side extensions. To do it the right way, you gotta take the entire OEM side skirt off. You just gotta remove these clips right here. There it is.
There it is.
There it is.
That looks so nice, guys. This is my favorite part right here.
This is one of our rear spats. It uses the OEM push tabs, so everything original. All you have to do is enlarge the holes a little bit to match this, and everything bolts right on.
So there you go. Now all the install is done. It looks beautiful. I'm so happy. It's getting a little dark out there, so I'm gonna make some cinematic shots tomorrow. You will get to see that. We're about now. Thank you for watching. Please follow their Instagram 365 Performance Plus, and also follow us on Instagram Subios_Bros. And we have more interview videos coming up, so please watch out for that. Stay tuned.
Hope you guys enjoy it.
Yeah, and they're happy to install more for your cars. So we'll see you around on the next video. Today we are here at 365 Performance Plus. Wait, we're here at 365. Okay, they don't have the banner. You should actually have the banner here.
I know. We will soon.
But they have a banner over there.
Yeah.